Y'all have a blessed day.
Come back when I get warmer.
There you go.
That's how you do it, blisters.
You did a fine job, too.
Thing with jumping it is it gets shorter every time you do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I'd like to say you really closed up that gun spot. You really did. It's amazing to me.
It's just a matter of concentrating and isolating that so that doesn't all mushroom out, and then you're just pushing metal back in it. And that'll happen a lot. You get weld in the barrel and you get a section won't go together and get a thin spot, and it's not done. You get a lot of metal back in there.
Well, I just knew I had ruined it, so I just.
You didn't.
I was just hard when I left here the other day.
Nope. They stuck. Welded. It's hump out there. You might have to jump some back into there.
At least I know how to do it.
Yep, that's how you do it. You just isolate it. You know, and make sure you put the heat on that spot. And make sure you put it on wide enough. You know, make it too narrow and not as much moves. But you know, if you put it in when it's cold, and you know you need to go there. It's make it do what you want it to do.
Taught me a lot.
I'm gonna let that color dry, and then stick it in a slack tub and then make sure that everything from there to there is stuck.
Yeah.
I don't know if it really does anything, but I like to do it. It's just another test.
Another way of testing your barrel, man.
Right. And I've had spots where I knew, you know, there was some question, you know, and sure enough, it leaked there, so you're better off making sure it's stuck. And then you go after it right away, but you hate to get too far away and then have to go back. Cause it's you got to really concentrate the heat on that section, and then you can't get a rod back in, so
Yeah.
there's that issue.
Well, I can see where that rod is real important too. You know, I didn't realize it.